Okay, here it is. 9:15. Registry, I'm leaving. My DEF light came on. That's the diesel emission fluid. And of course I had some, so I filled it up. Got that taken care of. Bought my tires, checked my lights. Everything's okay. This is the boys' room. I got me a drink of water. So I'll be on my way. Beautiful day, huh? So, people. Hello, world. We're on the road again. Feel good, look good. Life is great, ain't it? So we'll go up here about another 8 miles or so. Turn off onto Highway 72, head towards Parker. 65 miles an hour, cruise control. By the way, it's 89 degrees outside, and I'm coming up on a green sign, which will give me some information, tell me where I'll be. Well, it says 72 junction, 6 miles. Court side, 33. So yeah, I got 6 miles to my turn off. Excuse him all the heck, huh? So anyway, have a fine day. Enjoy it. Be safe out there if you have to. And hey, thanks for watching, huh? I appreciate it. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Comments are always welcome on my NW6G YouTube channel. Oh, by the way, in case some of you people want to know what NW6G is, well, I'm a ham radio operator. Maybe some of you know what that is, amateur radio operator, and that's my call sign, November Whiskey 6 Golf. So there you go, a little information for you if you did not know. So, enjoy your day, and we'll be shooting some more videos on our merry way. And be thankful. Enjoy what you got, for what you can do. Could be worse, baby. Could be worse. Later. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it.